What area is this, Ana? Corner?
Dilugyo.
Bilugyo, no? So we're staying in a Bilugyo district, just near the yung sites and destination.
May cash ka ba?
So this is hello.
Ayun na lang yan.
Gabi kami dumating, almost midnight here, no? Because we wanted to go to a place na yung to stay na medyo malapit dun sa yung the best Turkish sites and destination. So small na mga alleys here, no? Ito yung convenience store nila na 24 hours convenience store. Looking for yung nga, very tight yung parang this is only one way. Tingnan mo. Ipapasok. The parking is here. Okay. Yung ito inaayos niya. Maganda yung place niya, inaayos niya. Corner suite. Ito because it's medyo thriving because of the tourism here in Turkey. Tapos yung pricing nila really competitive. The accommodation is also very good yung accommodation. As long as you're creative enough, no? So si Anya yung her daughter's the one doing the booking, searching. Ang rating is excellent. Maganda naman. It's good also to observe yung kung ano mga here, no? So okay, so we're going to our first destination in Turkey today. Wish us luck. Makabook ng taxi dyan, Anya? Okay.